Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can roll back your WordPress core version to a specific older version of your choice. So this is a sample website I have here. I'm going to downgrade the WordPress core version of this website. Here I'm on the dashboard of the WordPress. Go to the plugins. Click on the add new plugin. Now search for WP downgrade. Now this is the plugin we are going to use, WP downgrade by this developer. Click install now and activate the plugin. I will provide the link for the plugin in the description. The plugin has been activated. Now you can see the plugin. Go to the settings. Now here we have to define the WordPress targeted version we need. As you can see, this is the latest version 6.6.1. I would like to install the 6.5 version, which was released on April 2, 2024. You can also try any of this version below. I will provide the link in the description to check the releases of the WordPress, or you can simply visit wordpress.org/download/releases. This is the link. I have already set the targeted version to 6.5. Click on save changes. We need to click on this. It will take us to this page. The current version is 6.6.1, but it is showing us the reinstall version as 6.5. We need to click on the 6.5 reinstall version here. It will automatically download the WordPress 6.5 version. Before doing this process, please make sure you have a full backup of your WordPress website. Now this WordPress 6.5 has been activated. We successfully downgraded the WordPress core version. So if you want to reinstall the latest version, just go and deactivate this plugin. Now you can find the update is available again. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.